CrowdStrike, Falcon Privileged Access, expanding modern privileged access to AWS. Falcon Privileged Access replaces static, always-on privileges with zero standing access and dynamic control. Alongside Entra roles, AD groups, and local privileges, AWS roles and access to specific tags can be granted just in time, under secure conditions, and revoked automatically when the session ends or the moment conditions change. Users can get access where they already work through the Okta login flow, making just-in-time access simple for users and secure for the organization. Just-in-time policy rules control which users can access which privileges and under what conditions. Here, the policy is customized for a specific integration, granting privileged AWS access through SSO for a seamless end-user experience. Admins can specify the Okta tenant and AWS instance, allowing access policies to be tailored for different environments with different security requirements. Policy conditions ensure the right users receive the right privileges, only under secure conditions. In this case, members of the CloudOps group are eligible for privileged access, but only when their identity risk is low and the request comes from a secure device protected by the Falcon sensor. Next, specify what permissions are granted. In this case, eligible users can request the CloudOps support permission set, which grants the production support role. Multiple roles can be added to a policy rule, giving organizations flexibility to support different access needs without adding friction. Access can also be scoped to specific AWS resources using tags. Some resources, like production resources, often require stricter controls. Falcon Privileged Access allows admins to apply more restrictive conditions, limit eligible users, and tailor access by environment. Finally, customize the elevation experience. In this case, eligible users automatically receive privileged access when policy conditions are met. Access is session-based and expires when the user logs out. With continuous evaluation, those conditions are assessed throughout the session. If the user's risk score moves outside the trusted range defined in the rule, privileged access is automatically revoked, even while the session is still active. Finally, the user must have verified their identity with MFA before they are eligible. And with the power of a cross-domain platform, triggers like a new high-severity endpoint protection alert can also automatically revoke privileged access via Falcon Fusion workflows. This ensures that if an account compromise or other security risk is detected, privileged access is removed before it can be misused. Let's see modern privileged access in action. A cloud operations engineer needs to investigate and resolve a production issue. The user opens up their Okta dashboard and verifies their identity with the security-first MFA Falcon ID. They then select their AWS app. In the background, Falcon Privileged Access checks the user's eligibility against just-in-time policy rules. This user is a member of the CloudOps group, has a low identity risk score, is using a device protected by the Falcon sensor, and has satisfied the MFA requirement through Okta OIDC. With all policy conditions met, the user is eligible for privileged access and has the access they need to complete their task. The entire process is seamless for the user, while reducing the risk of powerful AWS privileges being misused by adversaries. If the user is ineligible, such as their risk score being out of bounds, privileged access is restricted. Contact us to see how Falcon Privileged Access enables modern privileged access to reduce identity risk and stop breaches.